2, 3. End of the pavement. Starting some dirt. I'll starting to throw on some sunscreen. No, we're good. This little river down here. There were some fish down there we could see. Straight? There he is. Cool, huh? So they use these to flood their rice fields. Lifts the water up and takes them in on the bamboo shoots. Some rice fields up there. It's a bunch. You can see where the water comes down and floods their fields here.
Yeah,
It's nice and cool in that cave up there.
Call us if you need us.
You guys are heading there straight?
Yeah.
All right. We'll do a little sanity check at point A, the little divergence point, and probably make our final decision there. So.
Yeah, if we stop moving on the live location,
Yeah.
that's where we crack.
I'm sharing my GPS location with Jeff too. So.
Put it in WhatsApp. For your location in the group today or yesterday? Today. Okay.
This guy's sleeping in his hammock on the back of his truck. It's like a perfect way to travel. Woohoo! I think I missed my turn. Woohoo! Nope. Nope.
No? Okay.
We're like on it and then off.
Yeah.
That is slick. We'll see how Ryan does. There you go. I hear him. Yeah, Ryan. You need help?
Unfortunately.
Let me see if I can help him. It's so hot. Just a little bit of off-road.
Just a bit.
Did it just slide down?
Huh?
It just slid down?
Yeah, I just slid off.
Well, we'll have to push.
Yeah.
Let's see. And walk it.
Can you put in some rocks?
Let's see if I can, we'll just walk. I'll be up here and you be down here and push it.
Okay.
And I'll be up here.
Alright.
Don't have the best. Okay, ready?
Alright.
One, I don't have, all I can do is the throttle right now.
On the back.
We need to lift it.
I mean,
Can you lift?
when we
lift and
it's gonna
push?
come off the ground and lose traction, so
What's that?
it's gonna lose traction when we lift it, but maybe we can throw some rocks under there or something.
It might be light enough just to lift and push
Okay.
up against here. We'll see what we get. Just grab onto the rail.
Alright.
You count on the count of 3.
Maybe we go like get a running start.
You wanna go back? See
Yeah.
well, you're stuck here. You wanna put that
Alright,
rock
hold on
under there?
1 second. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Well, shit.
All right. Okay, well, we got him out. We had to strip down to do it. We're putting putting some gear back on. Try and Go a little bit further. It's so hot. All right. All right, I'm gonna putz up there. See what awaits us. Uh-oh. This might not be the jam. Maybe over here. Oh, it's all just a guess. Cross the jam. Slippery. Oh, yeah. Back to easy road. Should probably get on this trail. Turn around here and film Ryan coming up. Top. Oh, the breeze. It's the only relief. Is wind from the bike. Alright. A savage place. Some Ryan coming up. Yes. Epic. Go. Go. Yeah. This might catch him. Oh, breeze. Okay, GoPro's coming on. You did it. That should be in first. There you go. Perfect. Hopefully mine doesn't go down the side of the mountain. Just gotta send it, I guess. Slick mud. Oh, okay. Goodness gracious. Let's get Ryan going up the mud. All right, kids over there taking pictures of us. So we just finished the mud section, recentered these bars, getting the pack back on. There's Muggy.
Those blazes.
Yeah, you were completely soaked.
Oh yeah.
Looks like you just stood in the shower.
Yeah.
I'm the same. All right, the sun finally went down and we're finally on pavement. Let's do it. So beautiful here. There's sun coming. Look at the road. Gotta get some hats. I know. Got a bit blustery. Wow. Mate? No? That was the front.
Yeah.
Not good paramotor weather.
Yeah.
This one too. Thank you. I think I've got a 200.
I got a company.
Hold on. It's a 200. I just zeroed it out. It was like 198.
Okay.
So I'll just give him this.
Yeah, sure.
All right. You want to ride or you want to sit?
What do you think? I mean, it looks like it's
Yeah, let's go. Let's go in the opposite direction we're going. So
yeah.
if it gets, if it starts like pouring, we pull over.
Let's take it maybe.
Don't go 120.
Yeah.
I got to 120. It started blinking. It's okay. I got to 120. It started blinking at me. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
that's
Right.
the peak. All right. We're in it now. Oi!
Trying to do anything in this.
The risk versus reward is the ratio's rapidly changing.
Yeah. in.
That was a perfect time to pull over.
Yeah, definitely.
Ryan and I are stuck in the rain. We still have like an hour to go. I don't know.
Yeah.
So, because of the massive thunderstorm, Ryan and I got little rooms. It's a pay by the hour, but other than that, it seems legit. So, luxury bed. I don't think there'll be any bed bugs. I think we got the 3rd floor, so we get our own bathrooms. Let's check this out. Yeah. So, just a hose on the wall for a shower. And toilet. Luxury. Oh my gosh. No. That's actually pretty decent. It is 1,000 degrees in here, but there's a fan and let's see if I can get this working. And then I need to translate this. So. Yeah. All right, Ryan. So here we are. We ran into these guys.
Oh yeah, new friends.
Got new friends. Yeah. Oh, we're not friends. Drink up.
Until we drink, then we're friends.
And so they've been, we got peanuts and lychee, eggs. That was, what was that? Eggplant, pickled eggplant.
Yep.
Some rice and soup. They've been sharing all their stuff with us. I think they've been drinking for a bit. But they're not going to let us go hungry. So. All right, so you just got us some soup, and we figure this is clam, sprouts, cucumber, like a clam, right?
It's a clam?
Yeah. Anyways, these guys have been awesome. Very awesome.
Để họ tự diễn được bên
He's like, leave him alone.
Để gọi là mình
Peanut. Alright. He's gonna feed me a peanut. Oh. Professional.
Pro, he's a pro.
Yeah.
So these guys have just been taking the best care of us. Yeah. Yeah. Sit down. And this guy's the chef. He's been translating. Yeah. And they brought out their pipe tobacco. Yeah, it's been this the whole time.
Just be yourself. Yeah.
Just be yourself.
Just be yourself.
Just
man.
be yourself, man. He knows.
That's all it takes.
He knows.
có một mía về con người Việt Nam một túi với 2 chục ai. Một mía về con người Việt Nam một túi về với ai.
Thân thiện thôi.
They very happy and smile.
Me too.
Yeah, yeah.
Thân thiện.
Friendly.
Thân thiện. Thân thiện.
Hunt him.
Tiếng Việt thôi anh ơi. Chú ơi.
Hot way.
Chú nói tiếng Việt thôi.
Brothers are like arms and legs. Thank you.
Meet
What?
You said brothers are like arms and legs.
Yeah. Oh.
Arms and legs.
Very nice, man. I like that. Can't get rid of him.